Thank you for downloading the Wildlife Drives app. As wireless reception can be spotty in the parks, please be sure your app is fully downloaded and updated before your visit. The Wildlife Drives app offers several different ways to find the wildlife you're looking for. Starting on the home page, you can scroll down and choose an area map that you want to explore. We've marked locations in Google Maps to indicate the best areas to view wildlife. The preview maps will suggest some popular wildlife viewing locations to visit in that area map. You can use two fingers to zoom in or out of the map. Simply tap on the pin to see what the spot is, and tap the description for great viewing tips in that specific area. You can then tap See Route, and Google Maps will provide the quickest route. To jump straight to driving results, simply tap on the Google Maps icon on the preview map itself. For an alternate way to discover wildlife, from the home page, access the main menu from the three-bar icon located at the top left of your screen. The wildlife is separated into three categories: by location, summer season, and winter season. If you want to explore by location, you can choose what area map you want to explore. Once you choose a map, you'll be shown the main category wildlife viewing areas for that map in the order of closest viewing location to your device, with the wildlife name, location, and mileage distance shown in the bottom corner of the picture. Once you decide the wildlife you'd like to see, simply tap on the picture and then get driving directions by tapping on See Route. If you want to explore by season, choose either summer or winter. Within each season, wildlife is shown in three categories: paws, which are wildlife such as bears and wolves; hooves, which are wildlife such as elk and moose; and wings, which are birds. Similar to exploring by location, you'll be shown the main category wildlife viewing areas in the order of closest viewing location to your device, with the wildlife name, location, and mileage distance shown in the bottom corner of the picture. Once you decide the wildlife you'd like to see, simply tap on the picture and then get driving directions by tapping on See Route. If you're looking for a particular animal, you can also scroll through the alphabetical wildlife listing at the top of each category, which will show you the closest viewing areas to your device. And if you want to view all the wildlife in a category, simply tap the bottom right pin location and you'll be shown all the recommended viewing locations for that category. In addition to wildlife, the Activities and Services category showcases many scenic parks, waterfalls, downtown walks, and chamber members of the Yellowstone Teton Territory. You can also view these locations in the Yellowstone Teton Territory category. Another great feature in the main menu is our Wildlife Reference Guide, which shows all the wildlife available to view on the app, with the picture, brief description, and viewing tips to make it easier to see the wildlife you're looking for. Thank you again for downloading the Wildlife Drives app, and we hope you get the opportunity to view all your favorite wildlife. Share your pictures and stories with us on the Wildlife Drives Facebook and Instagram pages. And for great quizzes and videos, check out our Wildlife Drives YouTube channel. Cheers!